the 2025 Automotive Painter Stimulus packages have finally arrived. You don't want to miss this one.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
All right, your boy Trigger Man back in the lab. And today, what we have here, hey, today is a special day, man. Today is a special day. Today, we have been blessed with the 2025 stimulus package. They done sent us everything you need to get started in your automotive refinishing DIY project. Make sure you guys download the TEMU app. First off, download the TEMU app. If you don't have the app, download it now. And new users, you can get one of these items for $1. Download the TEMU app now. You can scan the QR code in the lower left-hand corner. Also, use the search code DQF6775 for a $100 coupon. Download the TEMU app right now. Has the protective sheeting, you can take it off, Comes with the cartridge package. Like, everything you need is in the package for this here to keep your respiratory system safe, okay? Put that in there, simple. We're ready to rock, man, we're ready to rock. Ready to rock. Got that. Then also what we got the Italco, Italco 1.3 spray gun. Booyah! I already got it dressed up with my D-cup adapter number. What's D-cup adapter? Number 31, and the regulator. And also, they didn't put one of those swivel joints on here. So TEMU, excellent work, TEMU, with the LVMP spray gun. That's low volume, medium pressure, I assume. Not exactly sure, but this is the Gloss X1 spray gun. I've already cleaned it out, had thinner in it, running cleaner through it. I've never actually sprayed paint through the gun. Today is gonna be the first day. We're gonna be spraying some black single stage today, okay? I could have sprayed white. You know, when you get the cheapo guns, you spray white because you really can't tell. I'm not doing you guys like that. I'm gonna do black. So we're really gonna see if the gun lacks or if it got what it takes, you know what I'm saying? So that's the Italco Gloss X1, okay? I say DA sander, random dual orbital sander. I'm not exactly sure the cut on this one. Didn't really specify what the cut is, whether it's 3/16, 3/32, I don't know. But I used the sander to sand the tailgate down. Very smooth sander. Got a little weight to it, so we're doing top surfaces for a long period of time. This would be good for that. This would be good. Yeah, it's nice. Not too loud. It's not too loud. I say it comes with the Velcro. I'm sure you can select if you want the old sticky pad, but this one came with the Velcro on it. And very good. It's not like it's wobbly or misaligned or anything. Very good sander, very good. I oiled it, so it's up and ready. Good, it's good. So not much to a DA, you know what I'm saying? I say, I don't know if it's a 3/16, 3/32, but I did the tailgate with it. It cut fine. Maybe I'll do some polishing after this with it, see how that goes. But yeah, so far, pretty good DA sander. So, but that's it, man. That's what we got, the stimulus package here. I'm gonna go ahead, get this mask on, and we'll get to it. So we'll go mask up, mix up, catch in a few. Peace. And as you see here, the 6800 reusable mask, very easy to find the protective replacement sheeting for it. So you put it on, spray with it for a couple weeks, replace the sheeting. This mask will last you forever. I've had mine for 5-6 years, no problem. 4 strap harness, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are sealed and ready to spray. Now we're going with the Italco Gloss LVMP 1.3. Pressure, we're going to be spraying at 25 PSI. with the black sealer, putting down some black sealer first. This is the very first job I've sprayed coming back from my vacation after 2 weeks. Wasn't exactly sure what was going on in the shop, but there's work everywhere. From what I hear, this particular vehicle was totaled. Owner saved the guy from being a total loss, so the body work is not so perfect, but the guy was ecstatic that we saved his vehicle. You'll see a clip of that at the end. More about the Italco. It's a 1.3. This gun is a mover, so moves pretty fast. It's probably somewhere up there along the speed with the Segolas. Not a slow gun by any means necessary. So you guys that are prone to getting runs, this is something you might want to start off with your fluid dialed in, dialed way in. I'm spraying it at 3 turns out from closed. I do think I changed the settings as it gets further in the video. I'll give some kind of sign language as to what I did, but as of now, I started out, it was 3 turns out. Now we're gonna go with the paint. This is a single stage. 3, 5, and 2 is 7. So 37 PSI out of, with the single stage. It's a single stage we're putting on there. The owner wanted me to put single stage. Again, I'm not sure the deal that he worked out with the owner, but that's what I was told to use, so that's what I use. You dig? So yeah, the gun is moving, man. This gun here, so far it's still at 3 turns out. I still got the 3 turns out. Okay, now this is where I did something. Up the pressure. I think I upped the pressure to 40 PSI. So it was 37, there at 40. Yeah, 40 PSI is what I'm spraying it at. Again, some of these different guns with the MP, LP, LV, HVLP, some of them, the low volume guns, I noticed you have to put the pressure up pretty high. And it's not that the pressure is so high to where it's actually fogging up, because you guys have watched my video for a while, you've seen to where I'm covered in a cloud of fumes, and this isn't that. The overspray wasn't that bad, wasn't that much fog in the air. So again, the pressure at the inlet on the gauge is higher than some guns, but hey, whatever it takes to make the machine operate, it's doing a great job, whether the pressure is up higher or not. As long as it's not a cloud of overspray in the booth, I'm fine with that. The mask was fine. Nothing, I couldn't smell any paint fumes. They give you a bunch of replacement pre-filters. There was actually 2 packs of the pre-filters that came with it. Okay, now 42 PSI. Up the pressure some more. Again, first time spraying with the gun, you gotta feel it out. That's where I'm at with it. Okay, 42 PSI at the gauge with the trigger pulled. With the trigger pulled. And I believe right there I actually pulled out the fluid knob some more. So it was probably 3.5 turns out. 42 PSI, 3.5 turns out. And the fan I actually turned in just a little, less than 1/4 of a turn. I turned the fan in just enough to get to release off of the seal, if that makes sense to you. Yeah, and again, the mask, see-through, perfectly clear, no problem. DA sander worked good. All 3 items, good. You know, you guys gonna get a hell of a deal with this. Download that TEMU app, and it's like everything you need right there to get started. All you gotta do, plug into your air compressor, and you're good to go. This is a complete setup. This is everything you need. Unless you're doing some big, crazy, out of this world job that requires more. And if it is something that requires more tools, more equipment, hey, TEMU is your one-stop shop for everything. You got this fine piece of Italian machinery. They have many spray guns that are equipped with the the latest UK technology, split nozzle technology. Everything you need is on TEMU. They'll sell you everything except the motivation you need to get started. That's something you got to get on your own. You dig? But yes, so I was really impressed by the spray gun. Again, first time using it, awesome results. Awesome results with everything. The customer was happy. Like I said at the beginning, the body work is not so great. From what I understand, the boss said he actually did the door for free for the guy. There was an attorney involved because they wanted to total his truck. And it just, he saved him. The guy was happy, man. The guy was so happy. And to me and you guys, it probably looks a little funky, but these old trucks, man, these guys love these trucks, man. It is what it is. And TEMU came through with the stimulus package to save the day, save the vehicle. Everybody was happy. The painter was happy. The owner of the shop was happy. Owner of the vehicle was happy. The owner of TEMU has to be happy with this excellent presentation of their products. And you, the viewer, will be happy once you get these 3 items in your possession. So everybody wins. That's what we're looking like. A few little specks of dirt. A couple little waves. Totally wavy. Totally wavy, dude. All right. Got it done. Make painters men again. Make painters men again, please. 2025, that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so tailgate, look pretty good. A few specks of dirt, as to be expected. Bedside. Look pretty good. Then over here, the other bedside. Yeah. Okay. Look pretty good there. Look pretty good. It does what it's designed to do. Spray. And if you can spray, you can lay. God damn it. All right, so here we go. DA, Pneumatic Orbital Sander. Very good. DA. Gets the job done. I like it. Not too loud. Very good. Mask, silicone, full mask, full face mask. Very nice. You see this here? You see the color of that cartridge? See the color when I started? You see that? Now that's what inside of your lungs would look like if you ain't wearing this here, okay? And the eyeballs. So you need a full face mask. Your eyeballs be all cruddy and stuff, get all through your system, into your bloodstream. That's what you need. Full face mask, protect your eyes, protect your respiratory. That's what you need, okay? The spray gun, Italco. Gloss X1 LVMP. Very good spray gun. Very good. Did the job. Beautiful finish with the chrome. Looking good. And performing good. That's what matters. So, very good setup. Stimulus package. You gotta get it because they're going fast. Links will be in the description if you're interested. This is a good setup for you guys who are doing this from home and you don't want to spend too much money. A couple $100, less than a couple $100, $100 and something dollars, you got everything. You know what I'm saying? You're good to go. So that's it on this one. And remember, 2025, we're gonna make painters men again, okay? Trigger, there's a guy on the other side of the globe that paints gas tanks, and he says you can paint at 15 PSI, and you're painting at 25 PSI on the other side of the globe, Trigger. Come on, man, come on. It didn't used to be like this. It didn't used to be like this. It used to be fun, okay? Well, anyway, 2025, that's the goal. Peace, catch y'all in the next one. So just remember, every TEMU shopper will get a $100 coupon bundle to save even more, okay? Just search for that code DQF6775 in the TEMU search bar. First time app users, don't forget to click the link below to snag the best deal ever. Look at the finish that spray gun put out. the Italco Gloss LVMP 1.3. Good golly gee. Golly gee. Look at that thing, man. Come on. Come on. What more could you ask for? You dig? Remember, search the code DQF6775 in the TEMU search bar. Okay? Or click the link in the description.
Hey, good afternoon.
If you want to put out a finish like this, it only makes sense. Come on. Come on. And here's a clip of the guy at the end. Caught him out front. Watch him throw his hands up. Look at him, look at him. Yeah.
Save the day, huh?
Trigger man, you're the best, bro.
You guys are the best.
Good,
Great
man.
job. Did a good job.
They tried to total it out on you, huh?
Yeah, they total out every car. It doesn't matter. You could have broke the till it.
Yeah.
So he was very happy we saved his truck from being totaled. Yeah. And he also asked me, he said, Trigger man, it looks like you painted my truck with a TEMU gun because this thing looks like brand new. I said, well, sir, how did you know that? And he said it had to be TEMU. And he also said for me to let my subscribers know to make sure they use the search code DQF6775 so they can get a $100 coupon. Okay? So that's it on this one. Great sander, great mask, great spray gun. You see the finish. The finish doesn't lie. That's it. Okay? TEMU will sell you everything you need except the motivation to get off your butt and get out there and spray. Okay? So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.